Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add product sizes in WooCommerce on your WordPress site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to offer your customers a professional, easy-to-use sizing selection for any product you sell. It's perfect for clothing, shoes, or even anything that comes in different dimensions. Let's get started and make your shop even more user-friendly. First, we need to create a variable product. That's WooCommerce's way of letting a product have different options like size or color. To do this, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Products, then click Add New. Now, type in your product name and give it a detailed description. For example, if you're selling a t-shirt, you might enter Classic Unisex Tee and write out some details that help your customers get a feel for your item. Here's an important part. In the Product Data box, you'll see a drop-down menu. Switch this from Simple Product to Variable Product. This change is crucial because it opens up the options we'll use for sizing. Without doing this, you won't be able to create variations like Small or XL, so make sure you've selected Variable Product before moving forward. Next, we'll set up the Size attribute, which is WooCommerce's way of grouping all your available sizes. Click the Attributes tab within the Product Data box. Here, choose Custom Product Attribute and then hit Add. Type Size as the attribute name. Now in the Value S field, enter all the sizes you want to offer, separating each size with a vertical bar, so something like Small, Medium, Large, XL. That vertical bar acts as a divider, telling WooCommerce each individual size choice. A quick tip, don't worry if you ever need to edit or add more sizes later, you can always come back and do that. Before saving, make sure to check Used for Variations. This signals to WooCommerce that these sizes are more than just specs and will let you set up real selectable options for shoppers. Hit Save Attributes and you're good to go. Now it's time to generate the actual variations, which is where your product really comes to life. Go to the Variations tab. There's a drop-down menu here. Select Generate Variations from all attributes and click Go. WooCommerce will instantly create a separate entry for every size you listed. If you prefer more control or only want certain sizes, you can add variations manually by clicking Add Variation and choosing the option you want. Once your variations are in place, click Expand next to each one to reveal its specific settings. This is where you set individual prices, stock quantities, or even upload a unique image for each size. For example, maybe you only have 3 small shirts in stock but 10 large ones. You can easily specify that here. There's also a handy Bulk Actions menu that lets you apply prices or other settings across all sizes at once, which saves a ton of time if you're working with many options. Don't forget to click Save Changes at the end to ensure everything is locked in. For the finishing touches, let's make sure your product looks great on your site. Add a main product image so shoppers can see what you're offering. You can also include gallery images that show off different angles, colors, or details. Finally, click Publish or Update if you're making changes to an existing product. This moment is exciting. All your sizing options are now live, and your customers will be able to choose exactly what fits them best. That's all there is to it. Take a moment to review your product page and test the size selector just to be sure everything works smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and feel free to leave any questions or thoughts in the comments. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this, and thanks for watching. Happy selling!